What's up, Scully Services here, your God's happy redneck handyman. And I just got me a pick-me-upper vehicle, and we had a problem getting the ignition to turn, and the mechanic wanted $250 to come out and drill it out. Well, it took me a long time to figure it out, but I got it. So in here, I'm going to show you. In here, let me get this in here so you can see it. Right in here, one of these, I don't remember exactly which one. One of these has a gear in it, and you just got to keep pushing on it and messing with it while you're turning the key, and it'll finally turn. I'm telling you, this is the easiest route. Don't drill it out. That's crazy. I almost did. Good thing my cord isn't working. So I watched another video watching a guy, and he was doing this, and I came in here and did it, and it freaking worked. So shout out to that guy. I don't know his name. I'll have to go back to his video. But this works. Shoving this in here, and you just keep pushing it, and you keep turning it, and eventually it'll turn. If it's stuck and won't turn, try that before you start drilling this crap out.